This is the most laziest 117 Ghana cedis that I've made in a day without any investment. Let me show you that there is an easy way to make money online in Ghana using just your phone. Sounds too good to be true, but it's true, and I've tried and been making money with this method for the past 2 years. So whether you are a student or a worker, this can be your side hustle. I mean, everyone can literally do this. I know you are asking right now, what is this method I'm talking about and how can you start making money with this method? That is why I made this video step by step to guide you. So sit back, relax and watch the full video, because every single second of this video might be an important step. And after knowing how it works, you can go ahead, apply it and make money with it for yourself. I'm Emmanuel and I make videos about how to make money online and other online money making methods. So if you are into this topic, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Let's get started. So what is this method that I'm talking about? It's simply called reselling. This is where you also get to sell products without any capital. Now there is an app which allows you to also do that. There are thousands of products that you can sell, ranging from electronics, skincare products, school bags and other stuff that you can also sell, get profit on it without needing any investment or any cost upfront. And I'm going to show you in 5 simple steps how you can also make your own money every single day by doing this with just your phone in your hand. First, we need to download the app on the Play Store or the App Store. So simply open into your Play Store or your App Store just like this. And here, what you want to do is to go into the search bar and type in Tendo. After you type in Tendo, what you want to do is to download the app, which is Tendo Reseller. Right here, Tendo Reseller platform. All you need to do is to download it to your phone. And you can see right here in their screenshots, start with 0 capital, access to product at wholesale price, create a storefront for your product, and you can earn money by simply reselling. So what you want to do is to download the app to your phone. And the second step is to sign up for an account for yourself. So click on sign up down here, and after you click on it, choose your country that you are from, enter your name, enter your email address, enter your mobile phone number that you want to use to register, and here enter a password that you want to use for logins. Now click on sign up right here. Now after entering the details and clicking on sign up, on the next page they will ask you to verify your OTP code, which will be sent to your mobile phone number. So make sure you also do that. You just enter the code which will be sent to your mobile phone number here, and voila, your account will be created successfully and you'll be taken into the app. Now on your Android phone or your iPhone, after your account is created successfully, you have to verify your details right here. To verify your details, simply click on your profile icon or my account down here, and in my account click on verification, and here what you want to do is to verify your email and number. So here simply click on request verification and you will be asked to enter your email, and when you enter your email, a code will be sent to it. You simply enter it here to verify it. This next step is very important and crucial, and it will determine whether you will make money or not with this app. And this step is how to find a good product which can sell. Now, to find a product that can sell for you, the first thing you need to do is to think of your interest. This is what you like or something you use on the daily basis. By choosing this product, you will be able to market it to others since you have been using it or you have interest in it. Secondly, what you need to check is the current market trend. So in Ghana, maybe there is power outage. You can simply check the current market trend, and in power outages, people mostly tend to buy power banks. So that is when you can choose a product like power bank and market it for people to buy it. So with your interest and the current market trend, you can combine them and find a good product for yourself to also sell. So with this knowledge, let's move into the app and let me show you how to get the product when you have an idea of it. Right here in the app, you can search for the product that you want, or you can simply scroll through the catalog of the product. You can see there are many catalog of products right here, ranging from electronics, makeups and others. So you can just scroll through the catalog and find your product that you also want to sell. But for this tutorial, I'm going to choose this premium quality round neck right here as my product that I want to sell. After finding your product, the next step is marketing. Now, marketing is where you make your money from actually, because if someone buys the product, that is when you can get to earn your profit that you add to the product. So this step is also very important. Now, there are a lot of ways to also market your product, but I'm going to show you the ones that worked out for me. First, come into the product page and get the images as well as the description of the product. So you can click on download to download the images, but if the images are not downloading, you can simply screenshot the image and crop the image that you want to use for your product sales or marketing. So after getting the product description as well as the images, the next thing to do is to move on to the marketing. Now, where do you market your product to get people to also buy in order for you to get profit from this business? Now, the first place that I will recommend is Facebook Marketplace. This is a feature on Facebook that everyone have, and it's a free marketplace where you can list your product, get people to buy for absolutely free without paying anything. And let me show you how to list your product on Facebook. Simply go to your Facebook, click on Marketplace down here. After you click on it, click on New Listing, click on Create Listing, click on One Item right here if you are listing only one item. And what you want to do is to add the photos of the product, the title, the price, category, as well as condition and description of the product. So what you want to do is to simply come back into the app, download the pictures as I showed you, or simply screenshot them to your phone. Now you can do this before you even open into the marketplace. Simply enter the price that you want to sell it for. So back here on the app, there is the price of the item as well as your profit that you can also add. So make sure you take note of that. So the price of these t-shirts is 132 Ghana cedis, and based on the profit that you are also adding is the price that you will list on Facebook Marketplace. So let's say you are adding a profit of 20 Ghana cedis, that means it will cost 152 cedis. Now there's the price that you use to list the item on Facebook Marketplace. Now you can see right here that I'm also marking up my item by 30 cedis profit right here. So that is what you also right here. So you can see the total price of this will be 162 cedis. After entering all the details required of the item, you simply click on publish right here, and you can see publishing. So our item will be reviewed, and within some couple of minutes it will be published on Facebook Market. Now let me give you a pro tip right here. When listing your items, make sure the keywords that you use or the description and the title will be something that people will be familiar with and will be looking for. So make sure you also do that to also get more people clicking on your ad so that they can also chat to you on Facebook Messenger. That is where your chat will come, and you also chat them back to also sell the product for. There is another place you can also list your items for absolutely free, unless you want to pay for something for it to be promoted more, and that is Jiji. So this, you can also use it to market your product. All you need to do is to go to jiji.com.gh, and it will bring you here to their homepage. Now mind you, on Jiji you have to sign up for an account as well as verify with your ID card. So make sure you take note of that. Unless you do that before you can start listing your product. So here you can simply click on register via phone or email, enter your email address, enter a password, first name, last name, phone number right here, and after you are done creating your account, they will ask you to verify with your ID. Now after that is done, if you want to create an ad for your product, you can simply click on the plus sign down here. You can see post ad, and the first thing that they will ask is the category. Choose the category of product that you are also selling. So after choosing the category, what they will ask you is the picture of the item. So make sure you select the picture of your item from your gallery right here. They will ask you to select two pictures, so make sure the item also have two different pictures so you can use the same picture twice. Now enter your location right here, enter the name or the title of the product that you are selling, enter the brand. They will ask you to choose the brand right here, and after choosing the brand, they will ask you for all these details right here that you also have to go through and select them one by one as required. Now after this is done, click on apply down here, click on post ad. After some few minutes, they will approve your ad for you. On Jiji, it have its own inbuilt messenger, so you see the messages there, and also you will get email whenever someone message you on Jiji, so that you can also reply to them and also sell the item to them. So how do you sell the item to them or deliver the item to your customer to get your profit at the end of the day? And that is what I'm going to show you in the next step. Now, before we go on to that, make sure you give this video a like if you're also getting value from this video. There are a lot of places that you can also market your product to get more people to buy. You can market it on WhatsApp, whether on your status, whether in groups or chats. Also, you can post it on TikTok, posting videos about your product and how it also works. Alright, so when you get a customer who is ready to buy the product, you simply come back into the app just like this right here and click on add to cart. Now this will bring you to a page like this where you'll be asked to enter your profit on the item. Enter your profit right here and click on order now. They'll ask you to choose customer right here, so click on choose customer. And also after you choose the customer, they will ask you to enter the customer details, so click on add new customer. So take the details from your customer, their name, their email address, their phone number, their city, as well as their landmark. So make sure you take it from them. You enter it here and also add your new customer. Now after this is done, they will ask you for the delivery location. When you click on it, you will see that many regions will come here and they deliver to all the 16 regions with their delivery fees right here. So it means you are not paying anything. The person will be paying the delivery fee as well as the price of the item with your profit. And sometimes you can simply take the money from the customer and also pay for him directly on the platform if they trust you. So you can see full payment right here, full payment of product plus the cost of delivery, and you can see you are required to make a small deposit of 5 cedi to confirm this order. Your customer will pay the rest of the delivery. This is their policy on the platform, but when I started on this platform or app, they didn't have any policy like that. But nowadays you see many people will order products and they won't go for it, so they also brought in this policy. Before you try to buy an item for a customer, make sure the customer is very serious to also buy the item. Now after it delivered to the customer, you will also get paid in your account on the Tendo app, and you also receive your profit so that you can withdraw it into your Momo wallet just like I did. Now make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one, and also don't forget to check out the top 5 money making apps in Ghana right now. Click on the video on the screen.